If guests come a day or two early or stay a day or two later, is there any places around that they can tour the island for a bit or hang out around there?
Absolutely. So we're stationed, our boats are based out of Nanny Cay, and we're a full resort. We have a hotel, we
There you
have
go.
a beautiful bar, a beach, a pool. So you could hang out there. The rooms go for about $200 a night. So you could come a couple days early and stay or add on to your trip. And there's other places all around the islands that you can go to. Scrub Island is a 5-star Marriott property. So you could stay there if you're looking for something a little more high end, that's 5-star. And they have transfer services that run every hour to different locations of the island to take you around and let you. Actually, we met a couple that was staying there. They were there for their honeymoon. They were there for 7 days, and every day they went somewhere different. We met them at Soggy Dollar, and every day they got dropped off somewhere else and spent the day. And then there's taxis around, so if there's places that you want to really go explore in our islands, there's taxis everywhere that you can jump on.